Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with one last instant noodle recipe time for today. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one from, it's going to be shown to you in a little different way because it came in a 4-pack and the individual packs aren't labeled, which isn't the norm for this company, but that's okay. This is MyKuali Penang White Curry. Vegetarian Penang White Curry Noodle. So that's pretty cool. These individual packs, as you can see, are just like literally that. There's nothing going on here. Nothing to see here. Which makes me feel like maybe they're more prototypey. Yeah, I don't know if they're on the market yet. I don't care. I'm up for trying. So let's dump these in. One thing that's new about, come on, get in there. I don't need more mess on my stove. There you go. And it says, yeah, these are non-fried noodles, so they take a little extra time. And we'll spend together. Ooh, I think they're like 5 minutes. I set it for 5, and I'm pretty darn sure they're 5. 5 to 6. Okay. So, don't boil over. I'll kill you. There you go. So I don't know if can you see it. We got a new microwave, and we're like. Because our old microwave was just acting kind of funky. At least it seemed like we were. Or it was. Unfortunately, I don't know if it was really acting funky. But this one, we freaking know is acting funky. So, it's a cool microwave. It's a Samsung. It's 1,000 watts. It's rad. Except for one thing. It's like the outside of it gets hotter than the inside of it. Like, I was trying to make those little 100-calorie packs of popcorn, right? I freaking love those things. In fact, I got some of these neat little shakers with, like, there's like this ketchup flavor one and dill pickle and all dressed up. Found them up in Canada. Super rad. Dill pickle popcorn. Yeah. But, yeah, it was like, why is it taking 5 minutes to, like, pop a tiny bag of popcorn? That's really weird. And then my wife tries it and it takes like a long time. I'm like, I'm doing a stupid dude thing. I don't know. Help. You know? She's like, no. And the microwave is getting really hot. And it's like, she's like, I've never had a microwave get hot like this before. And she works in an appliance place. She's like dispatches appliance repair calls, and so I'm sure she'll ask around there today. It's Monday, so. But, yeah, the plan is to go return it tonight. The only downside is we don't have the box anymore. We took the old microwave, threw it in the box, took it out to the dumpster, and it was done, you know? It's... If they're like, oh, we have to have the box. Like, psst, who's got the box? Well, we'll have a fit. We'll make other customers uncomfortable. If we have to. I don't think we'll have to. Although it's Best Buy. Yeah. But it was delivered on Thursday. I think we got like one. I mean, I made oatmeal in it twice. The first time I made it, it bubbled over, which is like no reason for that to happen. The old one started doing that, and that's why I was just like, there's something wrong with the microwave. But it bubbled over, and then the other one didn't, which was cool. And then it made popcorn. I think I made popcorn on Friday night, and it was like, gosh, it takes like a whole 3 minutes to make popcorn. The old one, it only took like, I set it for 3 minutes, and then it'd be like almost a minute 40 left, and I'd have to get canceled because there was like time between the pops, you know, and all that. So I don't know. It's like No, we don't want to get it fixed. We just want to get a different one. And honestly, it was funny because when we went to Walmart and looked at them originally, we ended up ordering it online from, or when we looked at Best Buy originally, we went online and ordered it. But we go to Best Buy, they didn't have any microwaves. What? I mean, isn't that like a normal item? I don't know. And we're watching Game of Thrones. I think we're in season 3 now. That show is pretty good. It's weird. I don't know. I feel kind of douchey watching it. I'll have to be honest. I feel like I shouldn't be watching it. But I like it. And I feel like I shouldn't like it too. That's the trouble with shows like that. It's like, ooh, this is good. Wait a second. I shouldn't like this. But what can you do? Anyways, we're approaching the 5-minute mark, and it said 5 to 6 minutes, so I'm going to jump it up an extra 30 seconds. I think right about now, just to make it all kosher. Oh no! There. When it goes off now, that will be that. And so you might be wondering, what do you get in this thing? You get a huge mega sachet of paste and a big old sachet of non-dairy creamer. Why creamer? Because all Penang white curry instance. Oh, that's a tough one actually. I try to stay away from wide-reaching general statements about any product range of things, but I'm pretty sure every single one that ever came out, including the MyKuali varieties, I'm pretty sure all of them have what do you call it? Non-dairy creamer. So what you're supposed to do is now bring a pot of, you drain the non-fried noodles, you bring a pot of 380 milliliters of water to a boil, then you add all this stuff in and you stir it up and you're done. Sounds good to me. This is vegetarian, and I'm just gonna stay within the whole range of vegetarian and not put any meat in it. Although if you were to put meat, I would highly recommend fish ball, possibly some lean pork, some coagulated duck blood, some cockles. Yeah. That's what I would prefer. I want to go back to Malaysia so bad just to have some like poke and prawn and white curry and clay pot white curry. Yeah. I love Malaysian food. I love it when people are like, "Can you do more Malaysian stuff?" I'm like, I want to. Actually, I've got a Malaysian one on the way that should arrive on Wednesday this week, which actually is my birthday. No, wait. The 11th. Nah, Thursday. Thursday is my birthday. And it's for, I don't know, though. I might not do any working on my birthday. But I like what I do, so it's... I'm screwed either way. No, on. This is all wet. Just like, not from this one, but from a previous. It's still recording, or am I just talking to myself? No, I'm talking to you still. It's almost done. Oil, sucker. I'm very curious. It's gonna be vegetarian, but it's like, okay, how is it done? Is it gonna be like mega mushroom, like shiitake overload vegetarian? Well, how is it gonna be done up? I guess we'll know momentarily. I'll have some more of my Star Blast. Here we go. Ooh, really? There is a what smells like a lot of cinnamon in this. Here's what we're looking at. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of cinnamon, a lot of aromatic stuff going on here. Here is the non-fried noodle, the departure from their regular included noodle. It's interesting. Not bad. Whoa. Okay, so first off, when I think white curry, I don't think that. Not in the slightest. Not by any stretch of the imagination do I think that. That sucker is dark. Okay. But, you know, I'm willing to give it a chance. Think about it. Got a couple, some tofu puff. Throw in here. I think that's a fair thing. That's vegetable and works really well with white curry. Not going for the meatitarian items, although I think those would go quite nicely in this. Ooh, that's the sound of something on its way from Malaysia right there. Something spicy. I'm almost gonna guess that's the sound of something entering customs on this side, which I like that sound. Well, there you go. Not at all really what I expected. Something different. I'm okay with different. But yeah, I'll have to really ponder this one. Try it again. Alright. Well, I gotta edit stuff and do stuff and junk and things and stuff. So, I'll catch you later. Bye.